This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your AdSense account and going straight to payments. This is where bank details live. Make sure the payment profile matches the name on the new bank account because mismatches trigger holds. Once done, click Manage Payment Methods and hit Add Payment Method. Enter the new account number, routing or IBAN and SWIFT if required, then choose whether to set it as primary so future payments go there automatically. Next, verify the bank account. AdSense may send microdeposits, so you must check your bank and enter the exact amounts. This confirms ownership and prevents fraud. If microdeposits aren't used, upload your ID and bank statement when prompted. That speeds verification. Make the new account primary only after confirmation. This avoids missing a scheduled payout. Also, keep the old account until your next payment clears, so you have a fallback. Finally, verify the primary payment method and check the next payment date. This ensures you won't lose a scheduled payout. If a payment is pending, wait one payout cycle before removing the old account because deleting too soon can cause returned funds. If verification fails, make sure the account name matches your payment's profile and that your bank accepts international transfers. Then retry verification. If microdeposits don't appear, contact your bank and AdSense support with screenshots and dates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.